Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be unboxing what is probably the cheapest pair of AirPod knockoffs you'll find on the market. So let's check them out. Okay, so these here are the iHip SoundPods, and I picked these up at Walmart for only $14.88. I am not expecting much from these wireless AirPod knockoffs, okay? They make it sound really good on the box, you know, with all the stuff that it reads off. But $15 for these things, I'm really anxious to try these things out just to see how they are. So looking here around the box, it says charging case included, which I hope it would be, because you can't charge them separately. It says it's rechargeable with a built-in microphone, ergonomic comfort design. Open up this little flap up here and you will see the sound pods are right there. It says high quality sound, connects to iOS and Android, built-in microphone, comfortable fit, and of course what I've already said, charging case included. Now turning to the back here, you will see that it says features is extra bass, built-in microphone, high quality sound, short press to answer calls, connects wirelessly to iOS and Android devices, long press the multi-function button to power on, red light on case indicates charging, blue light means fully charged, ergonomic design for a comfortable fit in your ear. And right there are some specifications like Bluetooth 4.2, your Bluetooth range of 10 meters, Bluetooth frequency of 2.4 gigahertz, a 40 milliamp hour rechargeable battery in the earbuds. The charging dock has a 400 milliamp hour battery, rechargeable as well. Standby time up to 24 hours. And the package includes one pair of SoundPod earbuds, charging dock, charging cable, and user manual. So I want to pull all the tape off of this box here and we'll take a look at these SoundPods. Okay, so here's the whole presentation. The top comes completely off. It don't just like pop open like on other knockoff AirPods you see. Of course, you got your micro USB charging cable there. You got a manual here, which I'll probably read up on, because if you remember the SoundMates that I've done previously, which I'm going to do more videos on those as well, just haven't got around to it yet. Them things are very tricky, so hopefully this here won't be the same way. But anyway, let's go ahead and pop out this little case here. One's already in there, and we'll go ahead and just try to get this one here out here as well. So yeah, they're just very lightweight. They're not a whole lot to them. They look a lot like these SoundMates actually. So it says that we know when it's blinking red, I'm guessing when you're charging the case, when it's blinking red, it's charging. When it's blue, it's finished. I want to go ahead and slip this in here and see if it's got any charge on it, and pressing the power button, and I don't see anything going on right now. So I can't really test these out right now, but I mean, yeah, here you go. I mean, it is what it is. It's kind of hard to really test these out, on camera. I mean, they feel a lot like the SoundMates that I did previously. Of course, here is your little cover to keep them, protected and everything while they're in there. But it's very snug, okay? So it's very, very snug. I don't see any like little area to where you can like plop up or whatever. But these things are in there very, very snug. And this lid is slick. So give me 1 second as I try to remove this top. I wouldn't recommend doing this. There we go. Man, them things was on there snug. But anyway, the user manual here, like I said, I want to read up on it. It's kind of hard to, tell you how to do everything, just in an unboxing like this here. But I will definitely be making a follow-up video here. I want to hook these up to a phone. I'm going to give them a full charge, see how long it takes to charge it. I'm going to use them, see how long they last. And I do a follow-up video on these here, of course, soon. So yeah, these, like I said, are probably the cheapest AirPod clone knockoffs that you'll find. The iHip SoundPods for only $14.88 at Walmart. Now they do come in white and they come in black, and both of them look really, really nice. They do. But anyway, like I said, I'll give them a full charge, test them out, and I'll be back in probably about a week giving my follow-up on these AirPod knockoffs. So this was helpful and informative any at all. I know I really didn't hit on a whole lot. I pretty much just told you some of the specs on it and how they looked and everything. If this was helpful and informative any at all, hit that like button. Any comments you may have, leave them below. And subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell for notifications for follow-up videos on these, as well as phones that I've done and everything else. I would highly appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.